tapos na ang ating on the road workout. Simple lang siya actually. Kita nyo naman, push-ups, squat jumps. So yung first phase, push-up to either squat jumps or bodyweight squats, 10 reps each for 5 rounds yon. And then match with the yung pull-ups natin. I will call it staggered pull-ups kasi syempre itong puno ng bayabas hindi siya even branch hindi even yung branch niya na level, ganyan. So staggered, so familiar na kayo ron kung ano yung staggered ibig sabihin. So hindi pantay, staggered pull-ups for 5 reps. Yan, so from here to dun. So yung staggered niya siguro around 1 foot yung distance ng pagka-wide. And then yung rest interval is 20 seconds. 20 seconds dun sa push-ups to pull-ups to squats or kahit ano shuffle in any order, basta kailangan 10 push-ups, 10 squats, 5 pull-ups, and then 20 seconds rest each cycle for a total of 5 cycles. And then for more explosive movement or to furthermore pataasin pa yung heart rate nyo, I finish with the 3-minute workout ng 5 burpees to running in place. Yung running in place is 20 if ang bilang nyo single legs, pero pag pair 10, so a total of 20 reps. So kailangan nyo lang tuloy-tuloy yun kailangan nyo lang siya matapos within 3 minutes, and then give yourself a rest in between, siguro at around 5 to 10 seconds max to finish off yung buong 3 minutes na yun. So ayun yung on the road workout natin, bodyweight workout lang siya. Magagawa nyo kahit saan, kahit hindi vacation, kahit sa bahay nyo, sa kwarto nyo, kahit saan. Okay, almost kahit saan. Please stick the workout to your lifestyle. Stay safe everyone. And kung may questions kayo, type nyo lang down below about the workout and I will be answering all your questions. God bless you all. Happy Holy Week. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Marvin in Motion. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Bye!